Now we can change the style, color, layout, etc. of these charts quite simply. We have a predefined selection list here, for example, which we can just have a look at, see what it might look like. Scan through them. This is sometimes a quick way of getting a chart that could look good. You know, there's some pretty radical looking things on here, and that one's potentially okay, but I'm going to leave it as we have it at the moment, but you can see what those would look like. You can also change the color scheme by dropping down on the change colors, and you can see straight away that we can pick some standard sort of color schemes here, various different ones. You've got quite a lot to choose from here. Do you know what? I actually prefer the one I've got. We'll stick that. And then we also have this quick layouts. Now these basically move things around within, and you might find that this is a quick way of producing something you like the look of. You can see the various different things. This is just it might be a shortcut. Might be worth looking at some of these and saying, yeah, actually, I quite like that one. We'll stick with that.